This tutorial is to show how to take that sermon file as edited and put it up on the website. So you can see I'm starting here with the Firefox browser open, and up here in the bookmark bar we have LWCC Edit. Click on that, we should come into the WordPress back door. If the username password is not present here, it's simply my name with no space and the word password here for the password. I'll click Remember Me. And we'll log in to WordPress. So here we are at the back door. The sermons, as we're putting them up on the website, have a sequence number. And that sequence number I don't remember from the last update, so I'm going to go to Sermons here and look at the present list. You'll notice two lists of sequence numbers, one to the left and then one just prior to the title of the sermon itself. That's the one we want to look at. So 735 is the last one, so the new one we're putting up is 736. So we'll take the Add Sermon prompt here, click on that, and now we're going to enter the sermon details. Disregard everything in this top block here. We'll look at Enter Sermon Details and start with the title, starting with the number 736, space, and name of sermon. And then the preacher, whoever it may be, and the date. And that was yesterday, I'll put it there. And the service is Sunday morning. And Bible passage. That would be in the bulletin, of course. So you can go to that and select the appropriate book of the Bible. Galatians chapter 5, tab over to verse 1, 2 tabs, Galatians chapter 5, tab, verse 5, let's say. So that would be the same as Galatians 5, 1 to 5. If there are more Bible passages, you can add more and have the same dialog box for another book of the Bible and enter that as well. For attachments, this is where we add the sermon file and the insert to the bulletin containing the notes and the home fellowship discussion questions. So for the sermon itself, we'll drop down the Choose Existing File to upload a new one. We'll go over to Browse, and you recall that I called that file the test file. Here it is. So we'll select test file, open that, and you'll see the path is given to us here, with the test file being the sermon itself. I use a convention of day, month, year, altogether no space, and don't even capitalize the first letter of the month. In this case, we'll just leave it test file. For the second attachment, attachments, add more, one click there, another choose existing file, drop it down to upload a new one, and then browse for that. And I don't have one on here at the moment, but there would be an Acrobat file, and I'll just select this file right here just to select something and place that into the additional attachment line here. The last step is to select the series. In this case, it would be Galatians, and we now have the full data set for the sermon. All we need to do now is save. I won't save that, but once it's saved, we can then go into the site by going up here to Living Water Community Church and visit site. Click there, take us right to our website. and look in the, I can click right here in the banner and go into the sermons, or I could go to the resources tab and go to the sermons link, same thing. And we now have the sermon display. The new one we just created would have been 736, the appropriate name and so forth. So I'll just click on the present one here. Once you click on that, you'll go into the full sermon, which will show you the name, the preacher, the date, the series, the service, and the tags are the player for the sermon, which you can click on and ascertain the music starts to play. You can listen further if you like. And then the other tag, of course, is the insert for the bulletin. So you can click on that and ascertain that does open Acrobat. Let me just click on it once here. You can see that it downloads it in the Macintosh configuration here. If I double click on that, it opens Acrobat, and here is, can't quite see the whole thing here, but here's the notes and Home Fellowship application questions. So I will close that, and that completes the upload to the website. Pretty simple. Thank you.